Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Thai water spinach is probably one of the most versatile and nutritious leafy greens you can add to your culinary repertoire, offering a unique crisp texture and a slightly peppery flavor that elevates a wide array of dishes, from stir-fries and soups to curries and salads, making it a staple in many Asian cuisines for its rapid growth and adaptability to various cooking methods, ensuring a fresh and healthy addition to your meals. Number 5. Gardener's Basic Survival Vegetable Seeds Garden Kit. Discover a wide variety of easy-to-grow vegetables with over 16,000 non-GMO and heirloom seeds. This complete gardening kit has everything you need to start your home garden. Our seeds are carefully packed in individual seed packets to prevent mold and ensure quality. Each packet comes with complete growing and harvesting instructions, perfect for any indoor or hydroponic system. These seeds are grown, sourced, and packaged right here in the USA. They make a thoughtful gift and provide essential emergency food security. Selected by gardeners for ease of growth in various conditions, these seeds are ideal for both beginners and experienced gardeners. They are perfect for a range of uses, from simple herb gardens to emergency preparedness. We are confident you'll love your survival garden seeds. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us for a solution. What we like. This is a comprehensive seed kit with an incredible variety of vegetables. If you are looking for a complete gardening solution for emergency preparedness or a diverse home garden, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for beginners and experienced gardeners alike who want a wide selection of non-GMO and heirloom options. What people say. The seeds sprout quickly and grow vigorously. The water spinach is very productive, yielding multiple harvests. The plants are resistant to common pests and diseases. Number 4. KOS Organic Acai Juice Powder. Discover the vibrant taste of Brazil with our USDA-certified organic acai juice powder. It's a simple way to add a superfood boost to your day. Packed with plant-based antioxidants, this superberry powder helps protect your body. Enjoy its natural goodness in every serving. Perfect for your morning smoothies or smoothie bowls, it blends seamlessly. Elevate your favorite recipes with this incredible ingredient. With 0g of sugar, it's a guilt-free addition to your diet. You can feel good about what you're putting into your body. This vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO powder is made with your wellness in mind. It's pure, wholesome nutrition. Each container provides 120 servings, offering excellent value. You'll have plenty of this superfood on hand to enjoy regularly. What we like. This product is a highly concentrated, organic acai powder packed with antioxidants. If you are seeking a convenient way to boost your smoothie or bowl with superfoods and prefer zero sugar options, this is the perfect fit. It's ideal for health-conscious individuals looking for a vegan and gluten-free superberry supplement. What people say. The seeds are easy to germinate and grow quickly. The water spinach grew very well in my hydroponic system. The leaves are tender and have a great flavor. Number 3. Sao Right Seed Siam Queen Thai Basil. Introducing Siam Queen Thai Basil seeds from So Right Seeds. Perfect for starting your herb garden, whether indoors or outdoors. Each packet contains plenty of seeds for a generous harvest. Enjoy the large, tender leaves with a sweet, anise-like flavor that's ideal for Asian cuisine. These seeds germinate quickly and are easy to plant. With full sun and proper spacing, you'll have a productive plant that's ready for harvest in about 64 to 70 days. You can easily grow these indoors in your kitchen or outdoors in your garden. They thrive in various conditions, making them a versatile choice for any gardener. We provide clear instructions and are here to help with any questions. If your seeds don't germinate, we'll make it right for you. Our seeds are non-GMO and heirloom varieties, ensuring quality and sustainability. We are committed to providing safe seeds, grown with care. What we like. This offers a specific heirloom variety of Thai basil known for its large leaves and distinct sweet, anise-like flavor. If you are a fan of authentic Asian dishes like pad Thai or stir-fries and want to grow your own aromatic herbs, this is the perfect choice. It's great for both indoor hydroponic and outdoor gardens. What people say. The seeds are very easy to germinate and grow quickly. The water spinach grew very well in my hydroponic system. The leaves are tender and delicious, perfect for stir-frying. Number 2. Outsidepride Basil or Rubra Malabar Spinach Seeds. Introducing our Basil or Rubra Malabar Spinach Seeds, perfect for your garden. These seeds grow into a versatile perennial climber, adding beauty and flavor to your landscape. Enjoy lush, deep green leaves that are as nutritious as they are attractive. Harvest them throughout the summer for salads or cooking, offering a mild, pleasant taste. Planting is a breeze with just 1 to 2 seeds per spot, a 1/4 inch deep. These seeds are beginner-friendly and require minimal maintenance once they start growing. Unlike regular spinach, these seeds are heat-tolerant and won't bolt in high temperatures. You'll have a continuous supply of fresh greens all summer long. Add a unique ingredient to your cooking with these versatile greens. Growing your own means cost-effective gardening and the satisfaction of fresh, homegrown produce. This hardy climbing vine can reach up to 120 inches, making it perfect for trellises, mailboxes, and arbors. It adds ornamental beauty while providing edible harvests. What we like. This is a heat-tolerant, perennial Malabar spinach that thrives in warm weather and grows as a climbing vine. If you want a continuous supply of fresh greens throughout the summer, even when regular spinach bolts, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for gardeners in warmer climates looking for a productive and versatile edible plant for salads and cooking. What people say. The seeds are easy to grow and germinate quickly. The water spinach grew very well and produced a good harvest. The plants are healthy and have a good flavor. Number 1. Premium winged bean seeds. Discover the exceptional quality of our premium winged bean seeds, perfect for your garden. These seeds are stored in optimal conditions to ensure they are ready for planting this season and beyond. Each pack contains over 50 seeds, giving you an ample supply for a successful and bountiful harvest. You'll have plenty to ensure a high yield in your garden. Our seeds are meticulously packed in durable, moisture-resistant packaging. This ensures they remain fresh and viable, ready for planting whenever you are. Experience the natural goodness of non-GMO, heirloom produce. These seeds are a testament to sustainable agriculture and traditional farming practices. Your purchase directly supports local organic farmers. You're helping to preserve traditional methods and protect the environment with every seed you plant. Embrace the tradition of saving seeds with our heirloom variety. You can replant them season after season, preserving valuable genetic diversity for the future. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues with your order, such as damage, quantity, or germination, please reach out directly to us for a quick resolution. We pride ourselves on offering direct customer service. What we like. This features premium, non-GMO winged bean seeds, a highly nutritious tropical climber where all parts are edible. If you are looking for a unique, high-yielding vegetable that offers versatility in the kitchen and want to support sustainable agriculture and local farmers, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for adventurous gardeners interested in exotic produce. What people say. Grows very fast and prolific. Easy to grow and harvest. The taste is great, similar to spinach. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.